So a couple months ago, I did a video where I shared with you guys that I've started my weight loss journey, my fitness journey, and I've been consistent, but I haven't been consistently giving you guys an update as to what my progress has been like and what has this journey been like. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first video, welcome to the Anderson's Family channel. If you are a returning subscriber, returning viewer, welcome back to another video. First off guys, let me say thank you guys for all the love my previous videos getting and all the persons in the comment section who's been just showing some love, saying that they're seeing the progress, saying that they're seeing the weight loss. Let me tell you guys, it is greatly appreciated, 100%. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few things with you guys, talking about my own journey, what it has been like so far, what has my progress been so far, and also to let you guys know that I have also started another YouTube channel that I'm asking you guys to go and show some love towards as well. The link is in the video description. It's called From Fat to Fit. And of course, it is just a way for me to document my own weight loss journey for others who may need the support, help, guidance to see that it's not only possible for them to do it, but they'll also have a roadmap to see how they can do it as well. Quick background about myself, guys. So, I'm a Jamaican who migrated to Canada coming up on 6 years now. I'm now living in a city called Grand Prairie in the Great North, right? Now, I haven't always been overweight, but it's kind of like something that happens over time. And then you get up one day and you are 280 pounds and you're asking yourself, how did this happen? That was my realistic situation. At my heaviest, I was 280 pounds. Now, I have decided to start this journey before, many times, and I've never been able to keep discipline, never been able to keep motivated until this last journey that I started on the 12th of July. Now, let's talk about why I decided to start this journey and I take it very serious. So, I found myself one day looking at my kids and thinking to myself, why am I not doing everything in my power to be here as long as possible for these little ones, right? I have two daughters. Now, I say that with all seriousness to say that while there are things that we can't control in this life, many sicknesses, many events we can't control, but what we can control is to make sure that we're giving ourselves the best chance to live a long, healthy life, which is to exercise, eat right, and keep your weight in check. And that was like the wake-up call that I personally needed. And that was a wake-up call I got on the 11th of July. And then I started my journey on the 12th of July. Now, we're now in December, coming up to the end of the year. And let me say, guys, I'm so excited and so happy with not only my progress so far, but also because of my discipline that I've been able to input into this journey over time. So at my heaviest, I mentioned I was 280 pounds, but now I am 234 pounds, which means that I'm just a little bit shy of losing 50 pounds in just 5.5 months. And I think that is a massive deal. And I'm so excited and grateful that I'm just thankful to myself that I was able to put in the work, be disciplined, and to keep consistent. And the work continues. And there are so many days that I was psychologically down. When I just started this journey and I was going to the gym, I always felt a bit uncomfortable because I felt like everyone in the gym was looking at me. Of course, being the heaviest person in the gym came with a lot of self-doubt, a lot of mental blocks, psychological issues. However, I pushed through that. And keep pushing through that, I realized that even within the first couple of months, I wasn't really seeing much results. And I just kept consistent until I started seeing real results over time. And it goes to show that there's no quick fix for anything in life, especially losing weight, because it wasn't put on overnight. It was like over a decade of just doing things wrongly, like eating wrong, eating late night, not working out, not exercise, just letting yourself go. So it's not gonna be fixed in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or even 5 months. It's gonna be like a consistent behavioral change mentally that's gonna cause us to shed the weight and to start living a healthier lifestyle to what we really want to live. And that is where I find myself right now. And I find myself now even coaching other persons so they can do it. And to just go on this journey with other persons is also motivating to me as well to continue, right? There are so many successes that I've had along this journey that it's just amazing. Even last night I was in the gym. It was snowing down crazy here in Grand Prairie. It was so cold and windy, and I still went to the gym, and I was the only person in the entire gym. And it caused me to be in a state of reflection, and I'm like, I've never made that sacrifice previously, but now here I am being the only person in the gym. And it shows that everybody has their own journey, everybody has their own roadmap, right? So not because I am doing it this way mean that you have to do it this way as well. Just find what works for you. Find what works for you. Find out what makes you tick. And for me, it was also a lot of not necessarily stress eating, but eating without a reason. Like, for example, if you're happy, you eat. If you're sad, you eat. If you're bored, you eat. If you are lazy, you eat. Like, that kind of like eating habit is really like the biggest challenge for a lot of persons. Once you are able to control that and you eat pretty much on schedule, then it makes a big difference in your own weight loss journey, guys. And that's my progress so far. I've been going to the gym pretty consistently. I try to go at least 4 times a week. If I can't go 4, definitely not less than 3 times a week, give and take. And I try to go there and I try to put in my best. And yeah, that's where I'm at right now in this journey. I'm so excited. And if you're watching this as well, I know we're about to go into a new year. And a lot of you guys watching this might be saying that, okay, then I'm going to wait until January 1st to start. I'm going to wait until the new year. I'm going to take this serious. I'm going to take my weight serious. I'm going to take my health serious. What I would like to say to you guys, there's no better time but now, right? Start now. Don't wait until January 1st. There's absolutely nothing at all stopping you from doing it right now, but in your mind, right? Even if you can't go to the gym, just start getting more active in your household, in your daily life. Try to increase your step count. Try to track the amount of steps you take per day. Try to get as close as possible to 10,000 steps a day. Try doing more rigorous things, walking more, just be more brisk, and putting more intention into being more physical. Instead of parking closer to the door, you park the furthest possible spot so you have to walk there. Instead of taking the elevator, take the stairs once a day. Stuff like that. Simple lifestyle style change will make a big difference. Instead of drinking sugary drink more water. There's so many things I want to share with you guys, and I'm asking you guys to go and subscribe to my other channel. It's called From Fat to Fit. Plus, the link is in the video description right down below underneath this video. Go and show some love. I haven't actually posted a video over there yet, but I want you guys to just go and show me some love there. I'm going to be documenting my journey in its entirety, unfiltered as well, because there's nothing pretty about losing weight. There's no easy way to lose weight, and I'm not here to show you guys an easy way to lose weight. I'm here to show you guys how I lost weight, and it's a way that works, right? I'm here to show you guys how I started living a healthier lifestyle and how you can too as well. I'm here to show you guys, if you're new to the gym, how you can start, beginners, intermediate, or do you increase, or do you take your diet into consideration, mistakes that commonly made, successes, all of these things. I want to share it with all of you guys. So if you are thinking of starting your own journey, if you are on your own journey, or if you just want to show some love, go over From Fat to Fit and definitely show me some love over there. I would really appreciate it. And if you're watching this video and you haven't already subscribed to the Anderson's family, please take a second, hit that subscribe button. It's really easy and it's really free. Click on that button and run up those numbers. Smash a like on this video as well and show some love in the comment section. Let me know if you guys are seeing the difference. Let me know if you guys have seen any changes. Give me your feedback in the comment section, right? Until next time, guys, see you guys in the next video, or see you guys on From Fat to Fit. Peace.